how the karma is created. Basically, it is all due to the ignorance, not knowing the true nature of the mind. Instead of seeing the true nature of the mind, that we cling as a self without any logical reasons. If there is a self, it has to be either name, body, or mind. Name is empty by itself. Any name could be given at any time. Body means many things, from head to toe. There are so many different parts. So, if you take each part, that is not self. Each part is different. Each part has its own way, its own names, its own function. And then mind also, the mind is momentarily changing. The past mind is already ceased, future mind is yet to rise, and the present mind is also momentarily changing. So something that is changing momentarily also could not be the self. So where is the self apart from body and mind? Even in our ordinary usage, we talk about, like, when you say my body, we say like my possessions, my house, my car, etc. So when you say my car, the car belongs to you, but the car itself is not you, but the car belongs to you. Similarly, we say like my body, so that means the body belongs to you, but the body is not you, but the body belongs to you. Similarly, we say like my mind. So when you say my mind, that mind also belongs to you. But now the one who owns your possessions, your body, your mind, if you try to investigate, you cannot find. You cannot find anywhere. So instead of seeing the true nature of the mind, we cling as a self without any logical reasons. Because we have the strong habitual tendency that builds up from the beginningless time until now. So due to this, automatically we think that as the I and the mind, etc. But there's no real I and real mind.